Hey guys, thanks for stopping by at my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing I'm going to be trying out the new Nabla Close-Up Futuristic Foundation. That was a bit of a mouthful, but not too bad. This arrived today, so I'm doing 2 videos today. Today's Friday, so I'm going to be posting this tomorrow because I'm doing the wear test today, if that makes sense. So yes, for Nabla Close-Up Futuristic Foundation, it says you get 30ml in this. I got mine from Beauty Bay's website, next day delivery, and you can also get it from Nabla Cosmetics direct. It's made in Italy. The only thing from Nabla I've actually tried out is their concealer and some of their single shadows, which I really enjoy a lot, especially Water Dreams, one of my favourite singles. So that's the only thing I've tried out from them. So basically they do have 20 shades. So they have now, it's gonna be one of them days. So they have 20 shades, and mine cost £25, which I think is a decent price point for a, would you say high end? Would you consider Nabla to be high end? I would say possibly yes. You don't really hear too much talk about Nabla Cosmetics just because where they're based, because they're a European company. But I think from what I've tried so far, they seem very nice products. So they have 20 shades, and on their Instagram page you can see that they have done just basically 5 very fair, 5 medium, then you got medium deep, and then deep. So they've done it really fair. I think that's quite a nice equal amount. Will it cover all the shade ranges? Don't know. I got shade M40, I think it was. Yeah, M40, which was described as medium with warm undertones. Let me just double check that. I like to be prepared, be prepared. Okay, M40 is described as medium complexions with warm undertones. I was going to get M30, which was described medium complexions with neutral or olive undertones. But from the swatches I saw on their page, I preferred the M40. Let's hope. This is a first impressions. This is a first time impressions. I'm going to be doing a wear test and come back and let you know how I got on with it. It's described as a weightless, soft focus, perfect complexion. And then on the back it says, even out your complexion in a seamless second skin perfection with this weightless and ultra blendable foundation. The innovative texture gives a luminous matte finish and an incredible soft focus effect with a medium buildable coverage. The bottle looks tiny, like proper tiny, and it claims it has 30ml. So they're vegan, cruelty free, and that's basically the 101. It looks very similar to my Hello Happy. Let me just get that out. So this is the Benefit Hello Happy. This is the Nabla. The bottle looks okay, slightly taller by a couple of mils, but this is wider, and this one has 30ml as well. It just looks really small. So let's have a look. I'm going to be using my beauty blender to apply because it's a matte foundation. Let's give it a shake. Hopefully it won't be leaking. This is the plastic bottle, and packaging wise is decent, nothing special, but it's their first foundation I believe, so let's give it a go. Let's give it a go. Don't be leaking, please don't be leaking. No, it's not leaking. Should I tie my hair out of my face? Let's do what other people do lately. My bangs might not be long enough. I feel in very springtime. How does that look? So I have primed my face. I primed with the Too Faced Hangover Primer because I'm just loving it at the moment for dry skin. And I'm looking okay. Colour, definitely not grey looking like I thought it would look like on the Beauty Bay website. The swatch looked kind of grey. But this is lovely and warm. I think it's going to be a good summer shade for me, and I'm just going to put a little bit more on my hand to show you guys what it looks like. So there is the colour. Excuse my fake tan messiness. It's a squeezy bottle, so I'm probably going to be working with around, I would say, this much today. Might need a bit more. We'll start with that and see how it goes. Now with beauty blenders, I always like to put it around my face first with my fingers and then blend away, because I find it takes away a lot of the product most of the time. I always can tell when I apply a foundation immediately on my skin whether I'm going to like the colour, and I'm going to like the colour. So let's get to bouncing. That's reminded me, it's a little bit orangey and yellow. I hope I like it more than the Benefit Hello Happy, because I don't really love that foundation. The coverage for the Hello Happy is really light, and it does, I don't know, it doesn't really flatter me. I think my lines show through quite a lot on that one. It's giving off a little bit of luminosity, I can see. Yeah, it's definitely a medium. It could be considered sheer to medium, maybe. Maybe, because, but I do like that it's making me look quite natural and tanned and glowy, but without the overly dewy finish, if that makes sense. Okay, let's go in with some more, because that has not given me the coverage that I am wanting today. It's a nice light coverage, but I can still see lots of redness creeping through my skin. I just hope I do like it more than my Hello Happy. So I really wouldn't want to go in with any more than what I've just, and I won't go in. If it doesn't cover everything up, then we just know that it's not going to be for the days where you really need that coverage. A little bit better. Still see redness. I am hot though. I don't know if that's got anything to do with it. And it feels like it's like quite, you have to move a little bit quickly to blend it in. I'm definitely getting that impression. You know, with some matte foundations which dry down quickly. This is one of them, definitely. So from the impression I'm getting is, if you'd like a glowy look without the dewiness, this might be a really good summer foundation for you, because the coverage is not super heavy. Obviously it's definitely not a heavy coverage foundation, but you look healthy with it. It doesn't necessarily look like I'm wearing a lot of foundation. I don't know, I think I do like it. I'm not sure. The Benefit one doesn't look like this on me, because I think that's a bit more of a flat matte. This definitely gives you some nice glowy effect without looking dewy, so it's quite luminous. I'm not happy with this side of my face. Okay, I want to try a brush. I should have done half brush, half sponge. I just assumed because it's a matte foundation it would apply better with a beauty blender, but perhaps not. Perhaps it's not going to be good because it's so light coverage. You want to go in with a brush, because you know you're going to get way more coverage with a brush. And I just want to go over them cheeks, because I'm not liking my red cheeks. I think you're going to get a lot more coverage with a brush, guys. So forget the beauty blender, because that to me just soaked it up too quickly. I definitely already liking how it's applying better with a brush. God's sake, why did I do that in the beginning? I am a brush, I do enjoy using brushes. I really do enjoy using brushes. That's a lot better. Gee whiz. Don't use a beauty blender, don't use a beauty sponge, because I think this is going to be really nice with a brush. And I'm using my IT Cosmetics foundation brush. That's the coverage I'm looking for. This is what I want. I'm happy now. I like it a lot. Now I've used a brush, I like it a lot better. I'm definitely liking the way it looks compared to my Benefit one. It's just giving me more of a glow, and to me it's not showing up any texture as yet. It's early days obviously, but look, my skin looks glowy. That's nice, that is nice. But I won't speak too soon. We have to do a wear test, see how it works throughout the day. I don't know if it claims to be long-lasting foundation. Long-lasting luminous finish. So it's not claiming how many hours it is. Thought I wasn't recording then. I'll come back with my makeup on in a second and wrap up the video, okay? Hopefully you can't hear any background noise in the background. Sorry if you hear any rustling of clothing. My husband's in the room with me and he's about to leave. I am so sorry guys that I forgot to come back on camera when I just freshly applied my rest of my makeup to show you the end result. But if you watched my eyeshadow palette review on the Zoeva Melody palette, then you'll see exactly how my makeup looked just as I finished applying the foundation. I got carried away with myself and just continued to film. I forgot to come back to this video. I'm not used to multitasking and doing more than one video in one day, I guess, but, well, not 2 reviews anyway. So I'm back now and it's been a good wear test today. It's around 12 o'clock midday today I applied it and it's now 9 o'clock at night. Where's my phone? Don't have my phone as usual. But yes, it's just about to be 9 o'clock. So we've had a good night, almost 9 hours, so that's really good. I've done regular check-ins on myself today. Didn't have time to film any. I'm so sorry. It's been a very busy day. Kids. I have to say I'm really liking how the foundation is looking at the moment. It's at the 9-hour mark. Anything up to this point in time I would be happy with if it's stayed on my face, and I had one final good look before I came on camera and was very happy with the results. I'm going to do a close-up in a second to show you how it's sitting on my skin after 9 hours of wear, but I think in daylight it's a little bit more clearer on the camera. It's dark outside, so this is all artificial lighting. I'll do my best to show you guys what I can see close up in the mirror. I can't find that it's come off anywhere. I'm looking a little bit worse for wear under my eye area is, which is what usually happens. You know, there's certain things that I can't avoid. I don't think I've ever put on a foundation at the age I am now and had it look as it would when I first applied it. It's not going to happen, babes. Overall, really surprised. I am surprised that I liked it this much, or I like it this much. Just because I'm not used to working with Nabla Cosmetics for foundation. It's their first one and it seems to be a hit with me for the first time. I'll continue to wear it and I'll continue to give you updates on how I'm liking it still, but if it's gone like this for the first time I've wore it, it feels like it's going to be a winner in my case. So let's get close up and see if you can see how it looks on my face. I will turn the ring light down as well. It's not faded anywhere, it's not gone patchy anywhere. It's not accentuating my lines. Got a little bit of creasing under the eye area. Everything's worn off, my lipstick's worn off. Let's turn the ring light down. Let's turn this light off. Ooh. Okay. This is my ring light turned all the way down to the lowest setting. Any more and it's off, so. So, I mean, what do you think? Do you think it looks good? I think it looks good. So hopefully that'll give you a good idea on how it's looking on my skin after so many hours. I can only imagine on younger skin than mine it'll look a lot better, so I'm happy. It's amazing what good lighting will do, isn't it? It's amazing. It's always this area, isn't it, which tends to go first on, I think, a majority of people. And it's done very well in this area today, so I'm really happy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I will see you soon with another video.